Hey guys, it's your girl Josie. Welcome back to my channel. It's been forever, I know, but today I'm back with another video. I'm back with a just a makeup tutorial. Not really a makeup tutorial, but my updated makeup routine. Don't worry guys, my vlogs and stuff will be back. I need to get the motivation to continuously film because there's been so many times guys, so many times I've been like, oh, I'm gonna vlog, I start vlogging, I don't finish off the vlog. I'm actually I'm actually on it to film. So yeah, I might film like a life update video for you guys to like kind of tell you guys what's been going on and stuff. So yeah, but I don't know if this is going to be my new setup. Obviously when I edit it, when I upload the video and I watch the video back, I will obviously see, you know, how it looks. I just wanted to try something different. Just not in my room. Like, my room is not really giving for the whole aesthetic. So yeah, I decided to switch it up a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I think I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera just to get that over and done with, because this video will be so long if I do my eyebrows on camera. Okay guys, so I'm back and I know my eyebrows, they might be looking crazy at the front. My eyebrows are really thick, so it's kind of giving a drag queen right now, kind of giving blocky eyebrows. I can never get the front of my eyebrows to just be normal, so it is what it is. Going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Primer because that is one of my holy grails. I put a cream on by the Face Theory or Face the Theory or whatever, and it's very flaky on my skin. I just hope that it doesn't like mess up my makeup. I really like this primer. It makes my makeup stay on all day and it just eliminates the pores that are on my face. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go in with my Lancome Tint Ultra Wear Foundation in the shade 12. Yeah, this is in the shade 12, and I'm gonna be using my favorite brush in the whole wide world, my Juvia buffer brush. If you guys don't have a buffer brush in your collection, guys, please get one. Like, buffer brushes are just amazing, they do the job. I know I look crazy right now, but guys, it's gonna come together. Don't watch. And then I'm gonna use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Deep Walnut, and this is just to contour or bronze, or really like doing my contour first and then going in with my concealer. I don't know, I feel like it just blends better, it's more seamless, it has a better outcome really, and plus it gives time for my concealer to get thicker as well. I'm gonna use my Nancy Face Perfector brush. This is basically like another buffer brush as well, I would basically say. I'm just gonna spray it with my Charlotte Tilbury and I'm just gonna buff it in like so. I'm also gonna use my foundation brush as well to help blend it as well, just so that it's not like really hard. Okay, I'm not adding more foundation, I'm just using what's left on my brush. What I'm gonna do is use my Real Techniques setting brush. This brush is a holy grail. Like, I'm pretty sure everyone knows about this brush. Anyone who does makeup just knows how amazing this brush is. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop lighter shade in the shade Caramel. Yeah, this is just gonna add some highlight to my under eye, because I do like a bright under eye. I really like a bright under eye. Yeah, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pat that out the edges, and then I'm gonna go in with the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with the inner corner. And you see all of that? It's just so blended. Like, it's not looking harsh or anything. It's just all one. I used to like bright everywhere, but I feel like it just makes me look like a completely different person if I make everywhere bright. So I just like to stick to my under eye being the brightest points differently. But blend. Okay, cool. Now I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see how, you know, brown, all the shades, it's all blended. Now I'm gonna go with my favorite bit, which is baking, and I'm gonna be baking with 3 different powders. Yes, 3 different powders. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Bakery, and my Laura Mercier. Before I did just used to use my Laura Mercier, and then I'd go in with my Fenty on top, but because my Fenty is darker, I'm actually going to use my Fenty first, and then I'm going to use my Laura Mercier to brighten it. But I'm going to use my Beauty Bakery to mix in with my Fenty, so that it's not too like brown, and then it just like washes out of my under eye. So I literally just pour it in, and then I get a beauty blender. Put a bit too much anyway, because I need it to sit. I need it to sit in so that it can bake, so that I can put my Laura Mercier on top. Or maybe I didn't put too much. I think I did okay. And then on my chin. Did I even blend it out on my chin? I don't even know. I'm gonna lie, I used to have a lot of like problems like baking, because I used to think that my makeup was just a bit too harsh, and now I've kind of like figured it out a bit. So yeah, and then under my eyes, under my eyebrows, and then boom, that is now set. So then I'm going to put my Fenty away, and I'm going to use my Laura Mercier to kind of like sit on top. And I'm using the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Dark. I actually bought this because of my favorite MUA, Nessa. Like, she does makeup so nice. It's actually unreal. But yeah, look at these shades, guys. Literally so pretty. So I'm just gonna mix the 2 together and just bronze. And I'm gonna smile, because when you smile, that's when you see the bronzer. Smile. Smile, smile, smile. And I'm gonna go in some more. And just smile. Smile, 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 smile. Yeah. Okay. You see that? It's giving bronze. It really is giving bronze without even doing too much. Now that's my bronzer done. I'm gonna go in with my blush, and I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Chocolate Cherry blush. I got this from Beauty Bay. Beauty Bay was having a massive 40% off sale on November, so you know I really had to. It's really bright. I love this blush. You guys will see how pretty it is in a sec. The powder I'm going to be using is my Morphe Filter 13 powder in the shade 13. Put some powder there. Yeah, this is one of my favorite powders because it just makes everything come together. Makes me look nice and brown and just sexy, and makes my makeup last for the whole day. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more. I'm gonna wipe my my under eye, if I can even find my brush. Girl, where are you? Where are you? I feel like I've lost so many brushes. I have this one you know, holy grail brush to wipe my powder with, but I can't find it. So I'm just gonna use one of my other brushes that I use, and I'm gonna get my foundation brush again. My battery is dying, but good thing I have another one charging. Wiping off the powder. Wipe. And then I'm gonna use my foundation to just blend in anywhere extra. You guys see the vision? Let me do a thumbnail real quick before my camera dies. Oh, that is done. Now I'm going to go in with eyeshadow. And I'm actually going to use my bronzer palette. I'm going to use the first colour, this colour, to do my eyes. I really like eyeshadow. I love a brown lid. A brown lid just looks so sexy. You know me, you know I love a brown lid. Even though I didn't even put no. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my face. Spray. And I'm also going to use my Charlotte Tilbury as well. My Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, guys. This setting spray is so good. This setting spray, Urban Decay, and my Morphe setting spray is so good. And can this focus, please? Why is it not focusing? There we go. So this is basically the makeup look, but I'm gonna add some lips because it's got to give with the lips. I usually would put under eye mascara, but I don't know if I'm feeling that right now. So yeah, if I don't find my lip gloss, I'm gonna be annoyed. Ooh, there is another shade. Okay. Oh, I bought a new one. I forgot. My camera died, so I'm hoping that I'm in the same place that I was before. But I'm still trying to open this lip gloss. Apply this. Just a tiny little bit, because I wouldn't really wear this on its own. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Fortune Cookie. If I'm ruining the look like this. It's looking good in the mirror, but on the camera, it's looking very, it's giving very much washed out. Because every time I put the mirror, wait, look, if I do a mirror, my face goes darker. See? I think. But anyway, I'm gonna wipe that. I'm gonna go with a little bit of brown liner, even though I should have done it before, but I'm doing it after because yeah, because I don't know. That's the makeup tutorial done. If you guys made it to the end of this video, then big up yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in all this way. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on my socials if you guys want to keep up with me and see what I get to on a daily and them things there. And yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or any videos that you want me to post, then you know, leave that in the description link down below, because people be saying they want to see me, when am I coming back, but you're not giving me ideas on what to post. Make it make sense. So yeah, but anyways guys, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.